Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add triple line border to a shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add triple line border to a shape. Firstly, we insert a shape in this document. We go to the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu. Then choose a shape. Now I select the triangle shape. Then draw these shapes on our page. Now we can see here we draw a shape. Then click the shape and go to the Format menu. Then click Shape Outline and choose dashes. Then go to the More Lines. And we can see here opened a format shape. Now we select the Compound Type drop down menu and choose triple line. And increase the white to see better the triple line border. Now we can see here we added triple line border to this shape very easily. You can change the shape outline color. Click the color drop down menu and choose a color. Otherwise you can change the fill color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.